Hello, welcome back to our class. Today we're going to learn about chapter 8, part 2. How about chapter 8, part 2 is I forgot. And now let's learn. So, at the railroad that makes time and light. Oh, yes. And from the light, it is also doing the same in Japan, which is very, very far away from America. So, Japan was once ruled by the Quanji dynasties? Yes, he was ruled by the Quanji dynasties. And when Quasadaira was the ruler of Japan, Japan was also having newcomers, Americans, Native Americans. They come They come to Japan to live there, and then they signed a treaty to the king of Japan to live there and build settlements. The emperor let an official to sign the treaty and says, "Okay." So then more and more Americans were taking land from them and settling on it. But not all the American people were happy to see these newcomers taking their land. Others also hated them. They all wanted their country not to fall with newcomers or like Africa to be used and captured and conquered. They want to make their own, not letting settlers overtaking their land. Right. So they tried to fight back. But the armies and other people that are agree and join them are fighting back and have a bigger army and fighting very fiercely. Jump! And then they also include many other differences to the original Japans. They were not allowed to wear the same clothes in Japan. And they were also not to go and they will always have to wear the same clothes at meetings and at celebrations. They also have to wear American or Western clothes rather than their old rugged clothes made out of poo from animal foods. That's clothes. What's wearing that clothes? I'm wearing poo clothes. So they are also having to not to change their customs and also do Western customs rather than Eastern customs. And they are always coming more and more and more unlikely. And Also, the army, which is actually run by samurais. Instead of using the army run by samurais, the army was now made out of poor peasants and farmers that are trained to fight and also learn to use guns. And then they were also said to not use any more fighting of using their guns and not letting or having good respects. They cannot always treat wealth and goodness only if they fight a war or have something done badly. Or having something bad of doing themselves like that. The people, the armies that are samurais, they are furious of not only their property again and turning the country more and more western. So they began to gather together with other noblemen, and they are beginning to fight. So they arm themselves, train themselves, and learn how to climb up slippery walls like that. Oh, just using sticky shoes. Oh, and sticky hands. Okay. And then they are Spider-Man's, right? Spider-Man coming up. And then they met at Greystone Bridge. And then they began to fight. So they fight and fight. But the peasants that are armed with guns are more and more stronger and powerful than the armed soldiers that are having knives. So then they began to fight and fight. And so the rebellion was failed. The leader of rebellion, which is the most powerful, willful, and strongest and bravest man, is the leader, and he saw that rebellion was crushed. He killed himself by shooting a pistol through his head and also using a knife and cut off his head. That's what it calls a punishment. And then after the war, they also said that no samurais except the royal soldiers can have guns or knives. The samurais were furious. If they gave up the guns and knives, that doesn't mean that they were going to change their life. Like this Japanese life was more like this. Someone who helps a rich and royal man do some good, and then in return, they will have faith and wealth. I'm not well. Well, I don't have lots of money. And they are always helping each other. First, the nobleman will take care of the poor farmers and peasants. In return, the peasants will give them food, land, and what they need. Oh, I almost forgot. And the nobleman also gives them land too. But the peasants just give a little bit of their land actually. And then, after that, the nobleman will build castles and own castles and give them to the samurais, which mean warriors. Then the warriors will fight for them and protect them from invaders and tribes. Well, destroy them so they, like pirates, take their treasures and boom, kill them. And then this is what life is like. Now this is what like. But now without the guns, they cannot do anything. So they began to fight again. They armed another great, big, small army and decided to fight. They fight the royal armies day after day. And you won't believe this. They fight from 255 years ago. No, from 1605 to, you wouldn't believe this, to 2009. That's a really long year, isn't it? And they often have a rest and so. But the battles are always very long, and thousands of men died. Millions of men died. So this war all crushes the royal army and also trapped the king in a palace. And there, inside the palace, lays the king, and someone kills him. Nobody knew. Is this a soldier? Is this a peasant? Or is this a warrior? That's the question. Nobody knew who kills him. And then his son becomes the king. He becomes the king of Japanese. And before he done anything, he agreed to do some changes. So he made changes. He often loved his country so much and wanted his to become a good Western that he go to Germany and know what life is like there. And then he stayed there over a year and then he went back. Then there's a new constitution which he all written down. It says that this will become a Western country, and I want everyone to obey and have good wealth. Even the poor peasants and slaves. Yes, they all believe slaves. And that is the Constitution. He also agreed to drive some foreigners out of his country that are very greedy. But it's too late. The bad foreigners often gather to a big army that no one can capture them. And soon, Japan will become a Western country. People want Japan to become Western because of this. They doesn't want Japan be captured by a big, strong Western people, right? Army. No. Kingdom or empire. So they want to be equal to the Westerns. So so that they cannot be captured. So that they cannot be captured or be used into slaves. So that's why they wanted to become Western. But this made Japan even weaker. So now Japan will become even weaker. I think so. If we learn up to next chapter. So this is the end. It's already 50 minutes. I don't know. So this is the end, and I'll see you next chapter now. Bye bye.